everyone, today we'll be discussing the Jdbc part of our program. What we have done so far is creating the logic part, which is adding, deleting, listing, backing up and restoring from the file. And now what we will do is, we have done the GUI part as well. Now we're gonna migrate the Jdbc to our program, which will help us to connect the Jdbc, which is a MySQL server, to our Java program in order to restore our data within the tables of the SQL. Basically, SQL integration to our program. Let's start with adding a new course. Course ID 1, department ID 2, course code 314, course name multi-platform. As you can see, as well as is done in the program part, we can simulate the Jdbc operation within the program, the window of the program, which reflects this SQL code that is run in the program part, which is inserted into courses where the attributes, as you can see, the column names and the values as such. Now we say okay, as you can see, it's on the list. What if you would like to delete one? I pick the row, I just click on the button that says delete, simulate the Jdbc operation. As well as doing on the backend side, it also simulates on the screen that what it's doing on the background, which is deleting from courses table, which is course ID course 1. As you can see, it's gone. And as well as this, we can delete more. Now I can restore back up this into a file, backup database to a student grading file. The table. Now I'm gonna restore that, delete this, and I'm gonna restore that. As you can see, the previous state of the table is now back to our system. We can clear all with one button, which is delete from students, delete from courses, delete from grades and departments, which is the entire section of our program. Everything is gone, as you can see. Let's give another example of student. The student ID is 2200415. Now that's the ID. Go back. 1220415. Name Erdem Raj. Gender is male. Nationality is Turk. Birthday, it will be simulated Jdbc operation, which is, so according to that columns, these values will be inserted to them. We say okay, and we see the result on the table. What else we can do is, as you can see, we have many buttons that specify seeding data, backing up, restore, clear, add, edit, and delete, and our classes are courses, departments, attendances, students, and grades. Let's see the data, which takes the program back to the initial state. That is, this data is freshly inserted to the memory. And we can clear them all as well. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening.